Welcome back to another week of price action, coffee in hand, energy level high. I hope you guys had a great week. Look, the coin market this week wasn't really that awesome. Bitcoin down 7.1%, Ethereum down 5.4%. I think this is kind of the first week in kind of a while on a down week where we saw Ethereum actually outperform Bitcoin. So that's still an interesting battle that's going up at top. Honestly, right now, the risk of the altcoin market just isn't really that attractive for me. I'm seeing a lot of coins that are kind of down more than Bitcoin or Ethereum, to be honest. So yeah, why take on that risk? Just buy ETH and Bitcoin. That's been my thesis for quite a while. Obviously, ETH being down on the week does mean that the denominator for NFTs also on the week is down. We're going to head over to NFT Price Floor, the sponsor of today's video. Yeah, I mean, everything's kind of down on the week in ETH terms. We see Bored Apes down 1.1%, CryptoPunks down 0.7%. Honestly, that's pretty much as good as a stablecoin, so shout out to CryptoPunks there. Mutant Apes down 7%, below 10 ETH. That really does hurt. Azuki down 6% on the week, 13.6 ETH is the floor right now. Very respectable still. Other deeds still kind of holding on to that 1 point ETH. Price floor, happy to see it. Good for them. DGod's new on the charts too. Definitely going to look into them in just a couple seconds too. But I do want to congratulate the winners of the week. There aren't that many. Captains up 16.3%, still holding strong momentum with them. I mean, there's a lot of hype around them. So I just really want to congratulate the whole 9gag team. You guys are awesome in creating some hype and momentum for the product. Pudgy's also up 7.7% on the week, obviously off that raise. Congratulations to the team. Love to see it. From the Bored Ape ecosystem, the only thing that I really see up currently are Kodas, and that's only 1.4% on the week. Still kind of weakness overall in the Bake ecosystem. Hurts to see, but it is what it is. Potatoes obviously trading more or less in line with the captains up above. So love to see that. All right, let's jump into a couple of crypto charts on the week. Just kind of what we're seeing. I mean, it kind of hurts to see from the all-time high. So let's just zoom in a tad bit over here for CryptoPunks. 49 ETH floor price right now. Very respectable. We're bouncing off that low. We're also seeing kind of higher lows, which is a sign of more or less strength. I don't want to interpret too much into this whole situation right now, but CryptoPunks are probably the most risk-off play in the NFT ecosystem, simply because they survive multiple cycles at this point in time, and because they don't have any inherent promises that still need to be delivered. I'm going to jump over to Bored Apes 2. A bit more bearish picture presenting itself here right now on the weekly chart, I'd call it. We are off the lows of 40 ETH from last week. But it still does hurt to see. Honestly, anything below 50 does seem like a fire sale. Doesn't mean that we won't go even lower, though. I did publish a couple weeks ago a couple thoughts on where the crypto price might end up going. If we do end up going into a macro recession, I do think we'll see some more downside for Bored Apes, CryptoPunks, the NFT market at large, simply because the ETH volatility will push us further down. Mutant Apes, honestly, pretty similar story. Obviously, the blow off top is what it is, but just going to zoom in a tad bit there. Similar story to Bored Apes, a bit more volatile is what I call it right now. All right, switching gears just a tad bit. We see Azuki, honestly, putting in a lot of higher highs, honestly, and higher lows too. So I'm just happy to see some NFT collections, at least in a traditional analyst type of way, performing well, even in ETH terms. Love to see it. Congratulations to the team at that point in time. And also, obviously, want to jump over to Chromie Squiggles. Massive volatility. This has to be an issue in the chart. But love to see it. Congratulations to the team at that point in time again, too. Maybe one of the more interesting charts, in my head at least, is also the autoglyphs, simply because they're so incredibly illiquid. Looking for a buyer at 155 ETH. One was stolen a couple weeks ago. So there's obviously a lot of pressure on this market, and not that many people, honestly, in the market right now for over 150 ETH NFTs. still. So yeah, I'm going to try and do this into a weekly thing. Obviously, our spaces aren't currently happening. So just trying to get some price action out there, just trying to get people engaged with the crypto market. I know it's hurtful to look at the prices, look at the charts, but we're here for it. We kind of came into the market hoping for upside. Now we've been seeing a lot of downside. Just going to stick around through the bear market and see where we come out on the other end.